In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cookie banner on your Odoo website. If you want to make your website more transparent about cookie usage and give visitors a clear way to manage their consent, Odoo makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to confirm that everything is working properly once it's enabled. To begin, open the website app in your Odoo dashboard. This is where you'll manage the settings related to your site's appearance, behavior, and visitor experience. Once you're inside the website app, go to Configuration and then select Settings. This area contains the main controls for your website, including privacy-related options. After that, scroll through the website settings until you find the Privacy or Cookies section. Depending on your Odoo version or layout, the exact position may vary slightly, so take a moment to look carefully through the page. What you're looking for is the option that controls the cookie notification banner shown to visitors. When you find it, enable the Cookies bar option. Turning this on allows Odoo to display a cookie banner on your website so visitors can review and accept cookie usage. This is especially useful if you want to support compliance with privacy expectations and make the browsing experience more transparent. Once the option is enabled, click Save to apply the setting. This step is important because the change won't take effect until your settings have been saved. After saving, return to your website and refresh the page. Reloading the site helps you see whether the update has been applied successfully. At this point, the cookie banner should now appear for visitors. It will give them the ability to manage or accept cookies directly from the banner, depending on how your Odoo website is configured. This is the visible confirmation that the feature has been activated. As a final check, open your website in a private or incognito window to verify that the cookie banner appears correctly. This is a helpful testing step because private browsing usually loads the site as if it were a new visitor session, without relying on existing cookies or cached preferences. If the banner shows up there, you can be more confident that first-time visitors will see it as expected. And that's it! You've successfully enabled a cookie banner on your Odoo website and confirmed that it's working properly. Thanks for watching.